Hey guys, so welcome back to another YouTube video, and we're here with the S9. So Samsung recently released this phone, and I'm here with a new unboxing, never been opened before. So I'm gonna open that right now. Cut. Again guys, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And just cut. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And this is how it looks in the case. In the box, I should say. So just flip it out. Into this. What I like with this is it has a good size, and it also has a good shape. So it's being turned on right now. And I heard the quality of the camera is like really good. So look at this. So this is the touch pad, I think, yeah, for the fingerprint. So yeah. So let's look at it. It's a really good phone. Yeah. Okay, so it's on right now. I'm gonna just get it set up, and then I will update you guys with another video.